There's only 5 carriages. Yeah.
On a big bar every day.
I won. It's like 3D.
Yeah, I won.
Stop zooming in. Which is
You guessed. Let the fun begin. Ready? Let's make the seal. What the hell?
What the hell?
Right. Oh, it's warm in here. I thought it would be cold. It's actually quite spacious. Oh my god, they've set the table for us, babe. We got our play passes.
We got play passes.
Oh, we got 3.
Hey.
Alright. Is this the bathroom? Oh no, it's a bedroom.
It's a bedroom.
This is the extra bedroom that we don't need.
For our kids, for real.
Yeah. Oh, look at our bedroom.
Wow.
Damn, what's the mattress like? Okay, mattress actually doesn't feel that bad.
Is so nice.
Bro, why is it coming off the bed though? Look, wait, is it?
Oh my god, babe, there's like heating.
Oh, I thought it'd be freezing in here, to be honest. Oh my god, we got our own fucking toilet in here? Bro!
Oh yeah.
I didn't know you had fucking an ensuite.
That is sick. Oh no.
Fuck our kids, they can shit in the floor. Ah, okay, the shower looks a bit... What the f...
Closed it. Is it nice?
Ew, okay. It's a bit, like,
Uh,
questionable, but, you know, it'll do.
it'll
It'll do.
Yeah. Means of escape.
Means of escape. Just in case. Hi!
Hi. I can't see the sun's light.
Date night. This is what I'm wearing. It's the new dress that I got. I'm so excited. Wearing spaghetti bolognese. There's the chef.
Hi.
Yeah, don't waste our red wine. What if we don't like it? I've never had it with.
It's good. You can't really taste it that much.
Oh my god, we're staining everything already. Hell yeah.
Oh, we can watch the sunset.
Yeah. Yeah, we are next to it. What do you think?
It's great.
Oh, sorry. We reached the end of our first day at Devon Cliffs. What did you think?
I liked it. It was fun.
Yeah, we had a really nice time. Tomorrow is busy. We've got some exciting activities. We've got swimming. We've got walking. Like next to the beach.
Getting towels.
Peace. Getting towels. Because they didn't pack our towels. We paid extra for towels.
No, we don't fucking have them. Go to a reception and be like, oi, where's our towels?
What to do? Bingo. Another one. Oh, and make a bear.
Yeah. Oh, something in my ear. Ew.
It's 7 a.m. I'm too excited. Hang on, let me show you something. You want to see something? Oh. It's the sea. Don't you want to come see the sea? Come see the sea. Come see the sea. She's warming up her hoodie. Hello, caravan. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so sly. Look at the sea. Oh my god, guys. It's the sea. I'm gonna boil the kettle because I need coffee. I forgot my coffee drink. Oh, I just walked into a shelf. Oh, she's dragged me back to bed, guys. Oh. You can hear the sea. Look at the fucking waves, yeah. Imagine being in that. Mice. Gonna go get you. Gonna go swimming. This is my outfit. It's freezing outside, so I'm gonna be cold. So I'm gonna put on a coat, but my legs are gonna be freezing. But I bought this specifically for the holiday, so I'm going to wear it. Swimming time. Slip chickens. Slim chicken. This is fucking amazing. I know. We're heading off to make a bear, aren't we? Yeah. And I'm gonna make Billy's bear, she's gonna make my bear. Babe! Like, she's got this one, the purple one. We're home. We got our bears. Woo! Oh my god, what the fuck? Yo, he was coming for us.
Fucking food, bro.
He was coming for us, he was.
I just want a shower.
Listen, he's trying to enter our caravan.
Can you not?
Get it.
They are pretty vicious.
Bro's still there.
Bro's still there. Bro's waiting to be
He's approaching the door, babe.
What is he gonna do? Peck his way inside?
Oh, you never know. You never know with these things. We can't see him. Oh my god, he's coming for us. He's gonna wait until we go out.
When he's
What is he doing? Don't do that. Don't scare him.
Ah.
Don't scare him. He's just chilling.
He's like,
What if he starts pecking the fucking glass?
He's like, let me in.
He wants to go. Why is he? Hello, little sea. Oh, it's cute.
So cute.
Alright, if we open the door, my buddy, you're gonna get hit. That's not gonna be very nice, is it? Oh, look, he's tilting his head. What's your name?
Idiot. I'm a greedy.
Hello.
Sydney.
Can you see me? You're not scared of anything, are you? Oh, he's coming. He's gone. Or he's coming around. Oh my god, he's there.
Where?
Oh, he looks mad. He's angry. We're scared to open any windows.
Is he gone?
No, he's still there. We're ready for bingo, bingo, bingo. Same outfit as yesterday. Because I only have 2 nice dresses and I want to wear this one tonight. So, let's go. She's rushing because we gotta go. She doesn't think she looks good, even though she looks amazing. There's 2 of them. And we need to leave.
Oh, for fuck's sake, where's the moon? fuck do we do? Wait, right, do we have everything? Do we have the...
She's gonna try and scare them off, but I'm scared. Oh, they're...
Go away!
Are they going away? Okay, should we leave? Should we?
I just opened the door.
And they scattered, so
Yeah, exactly.
we should...
You just need to be quick. You just need to be quick, right behind me. Go.
Get away from me, please. Guys, what do you want from us? No, they're coming closer. Please leave me alone. We've got you on video. If you try anything, send it to the police.
What's going on?
They're following us. Why did he bring a friend?
I think we have one each. Bingo.
So we will now be moving on to the final game of our evening, which is the red flag. What is different is that you need to buy your tickets using cash, so there are guaranteed winners here at Devon.
Okay, let's go.
We've had our chopsticks.
I'm still having one.
I've had my chopsticks.
Just for action movies, we have a channel. Just for comedy movies, we have a channel. Just for like really well, Storage Hunters. I do like watching Storage Hunters.
Hello, it's a new day. Bailey's asleep. Well, she's trying to go back to sleep. So I don't want to be too loud. We've got some things to do today. It's like swimming, golf, which only takes 15 minutes apparently. Bingo. Gotta leave the beach and go like Billy up now. I don't want to. I do really like it here, even if the water is about to get me. So real. Tell the seagull this. There's 3 of the buggers on top of our caravan. What are you doing, guys? Hello. Our hair's not greasy, we've just put honey in it. We're about to go swimming. Sleepy. Sleepy. Yeah, I'm really tired, so I don't really get much sleep. This one slept a bit longer. But to your standards, it's still early. Yeah.
They're everywhere, babe.
We're home from
they're
swimming.
Look.
Oh damn! Hang on. They're all waiting for us.
Look, they're like everywhere.
That's a pigeon. Hey, don't you join on this too? Yeah, that's it. Fly away. I love pigeons. I don't want them to be haunting me as well. I mean, actually, maybe I do want to be haunted by a
We
pigeon.
need to name him, babe. Look how good. Oh, he's loafing.
I don't know what.
He's loafing.
Barry.
Barry.
Barry the pigeon. Whatever his name. Sorry, seagull. Barry the
Barry
seagull.
the pigeon.
Did we lock it? She on the slot machine. Yes, I'm filming. Let's go. Where's the hole over there? Whee! Again. Hey! Okay. Oh! Where did that go? Two. Go on then. Oh, there's a puddle.
I know. We're not gonna, how are we gonna get out of the hole?
Where even is the hole? Oh. Yeah. Lol. We're like the only ones here. Try not to get yourself wet. Okay, this one doesn't count because it's obviously flooded.
Counts.
No, it's flooded, babe.
It counts.
It's flooded.
It counts.
Fine.
What am I on? 3?
3.
3.
You can't just push it.
4. What else do you want me to do?
You can't just push
Swim.
it. Yes. Swim.
Right. 5. 6.
Hey, now you need to go get it. Oh my god. What did I get? 6? 5? Three, 4, 5, 6.
Only one guy. Just watch me.
Wait, isn't Minnie? That was close.
Still going.
3. Okay, we're gonna do that challenge where like you put on one of like the flavored lip balms and then the other person tries to guess what one you put on, but by like kissing, you know. But we don't kiss because we're not gay. Gonna do this one. Oh, I don't know if you're
Thirsty.
I don't know if you're gonna get to taste it, you know.
Right, put it back.
I don't think I'm gonna taste it.
Put it back in the.
I did. Okay. Like, do the smell test first. What do you think?
It just tastes like strawberry.
Okay. No, now you have to kiss. You have to kiss me. Come on.
It doesn't taste of anything.
What are you thinking? Out of all of these, what do you think?
Strawberry glazed donut.
You're right. Strawberry glazed donut. She got it, guys. Okay, your turn.
Because I could smell and kind
Yeah, but that's
of
the
taste
point. That's kind of the point. You're supposed to be able to,
strawberry, yeah.
you're supposed to be able to like smell it really
Yeah.
more than taste. So go on, I'll close my eyes.
Let's see it. Where's the camera? It's not focusing.
My days. Okay. Oh, you look nice. Right. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's chocolate? I don't know. I think it's chocolate. The chocolate one. There's this one.
Yeah, you're right.
Actually, oh my god, I'm so good. Okay.
Oh my eye. What?
It was the only one stood up.
I didn't see.
Right, okay.
Oh, that smells really nice.
Excuse me. You didn't even take me out to dinner first.
I'm trying to like...
Try and taste it. Do you know what it is? What does it smell like?
Is it the cherry one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I knew it.
That's all. I'm gonna butter this one right up. Doing this one. Okay. Kiss me.
Oh, it's the butter popcorn.
Yeah. it smells exactly like
And you
it.
did say I'm buttering up or whatever you said, and I was like, okay, I know which one it is.
I didn't mean to say that.
Yes, I will. Yeah, shut herself. Come on, babe, we're gonna be late.
Oh, it stinks.
Okay.
Let's get it. I would also hate this every day.
5 and 6, 56.
What are you thinking?
What?
You haven't eaten it yet, have you?
No. Yeah.
Amazing. Guess who's back? Back again. What do we call him? Barry? Barry's back.
Oh.
Or she. It could be she. Hello. We've enjoyed our meal. It's nearly time for the sunset. Me and Billy are gonna head out. So he's just sitting there, right? And Billy's falling for it. Because he's trying to prank us.
Prank us?
Yeah, he's trying to be like...
it's a very good prank.
He's trying to be like, oh look, I've only got one leg.
Oh, my back is killing me.
Only got 1 foot, so give me food. And I'm not falling for it. Look at her. The gay. Oh. We just played tag, didn't we? Yes. Basically, we found somewhere to stand, and if we get in the wave, then we lose. If we're too far away from the wave, we lose. We need to be at the edge of the wave.
But...
That was really close. Babe, I win. Oh, okay. So the sun's setting up there. So we can't really see it, but we can see the beautiful pastel colours that the sunset creates.
Oh. Sticky, I feel sticky.
We have arrived back home. We've got the wine. I'm gonna give her a done and fill video. And she's gonna give me a queso video.
Oh, yeah.
Juice with the 5. Queso's Aquatic Adventures? I like it.
Look at us and our children.
Watching queso.
Right, we're going to sleep now, yes?
No.
Well, not sleep. We're gonna watch Queso.
Yeah.
And then sleep with our children. Bye. You look so tired. Look at her. I want breakfast. Look at her. Look at her. We're going to get breakfast today. We're going to get breakfast today.
8:30.
Cooked breakfast with tea
8:30.
and juices. Yummy, yummy juices.
I'm cold.
Help. And this bitch doesn't even want to get up.
Cold. I'm cold.
We're getting a Weatherspoon's breakfast. I ate too much. Film me. Look how silly. Oh my god. Swimming. I'm heading back home. Billy's getting us Burger King and stuff because I didn't really wear clothes that are appropriate for the outside because it's freezing. Beautiful though. Here they are. Two dinosaurs. What did you just eat? Oh, he is.
Is he actually?
Barry!
Is he actually? I think you're joking.
Oh no, he literally knocked.
Oh my god, Barry, it's probably cold.
Barry,
It's windy outside.
you can't be doing this.
Oh, he's cold. Let him in.
This is the aftermath of holidayness.
I can't see him.
Barry? Seagull cam.
Seagull cam.
What I feel like we should do is just make a pile the cupboards in the hidden spots. Sort it out. Put my stuff. I want them. I also want all the bingo tickets. I hope you didn't check them out. Did you check them out? Really? I want them.
I had a feeling you'd want them.
This is how I pack. I just dump everything in a big pile and then I stare at it. It's over. She lounging. Okay. It's so shiny. So this is. Oh! Is it cute?
It's really cute. I like it.
Oh,
Oh, that is
so
nice.
pretty. It's the beach.
It's
See?
the beach.
Roller coaster. It's
okay, sir. Look how
His beard's a bit.
That's okay.
Kitty! Why does it feel so raw?
Oh, it does a bit.
Kitty! What happened?
Kitty got burned. Kitty got burned.
It's my kitty. It's my silly kitty.
Silly kitty.
Goodbye, caravan. Goodbye. Just checking to see I haven't. Goodbye, bedroom. Sorry we haven't made the bed. We're in a rush. Bye bye, caravan. Bye bye. Bye, Barry. Why is his beak wet? Why is it wet? I can't tell. Nice. We're leaving now. It's Barry and his friend. We're going. We're dropping our keys off, we are. Dropping our keys off. We're update. My shoe broke. And it's got like this really sharp part in it. And he stabbed my foot.
Oh no, remember, I think the time's out.
And then we just were.
And we are home. And I'm in my own bed. Billy looked really grumpy in that last clip because she was tired. She's moving in tomorrow. I just thought I'd say because it looks like she's pissed at me.